tail.
Oh, the glass. A little bit more sporadic, but they're gonna get bigger, I think.
Yeah.
What are these, like mothballs?
Yeah, these are, some of them are hen eggs. Yep, they're gonna get a little bit bigger, I think. Yeah, they're gonna get bigger now, guys.
It was rolling the whole time.
We should have checked if it's still there.
I did before we got into this. It was still there. I have the rope through the window, so I would know if it goes off.
God.
What?
I'm just trying to get video. I'm literally skating right now.